So don't forget that this is our quotient. After doing the long division, remember why we did the long division? We did the long division because our numerator has higher power than denominator. So we have to do long division, and we got this the quotient. This is the remainder. This is the remainder because we can no longer divide again. Why? The power of x here is lesser than the power of x here, so this can't divide this. So your division ends here. So now, having gotten the quotient and the remainder, what do you do with the quotient and the remainder? Come here over to this side. The quotient is placed here, 2x over 3 minus 10 over 9, plus the remainder divided by the initial denominator of our question. Look at the question here, x into bracket 3x plus 5. Now, I can now replace my remainder with what was my remainder? 113x all over 9 minus 1. Now, class, it is this particular side that we will now be looking for the partial fraction. It is this side we will be looking for the partial. Class, as a matter of fact, are you aware that we are looking for A, B, C, and D in the original question, right? Are you aware that I already have A? A is 2 over 3. I already have B. B is minus 10 over 9. I'm just looking for C and D now, class. And I'll get C and D from this aspect of the partial fraction. So, class, I'm going to say, I will now try to decompose this into partial fraction now. You can see now that our denominator has a higher power than numerator now. Class, are you noticing it? Our numerator is x, but our denominator is x squared. Because if we expand this bracket, x times 3x is 3x. It's always good for our denominator to have a higher power than our numerator when solving partial fraction. So you see that our long division has bear fruits because now our numerator has a lower power than the denominator. Or you can say our denominator has a higher power than the numerator, as the case may be. Now, let us decompose this into partial fraction. This will now be equals to, now we already confirmed that this is A and this is B, right? So let us say C. How do we usually solve partial fraction, class? If you have two factors, you say, if this was, you say C all over x plus D all over 3x plus 5. C all over what? Plus D all over 3x plus 5. We then find the LC. This x into bracket 3x plus 5, and this 113x over 9 minus 1 all over x into bracket 3x plus. Class, what I say should do anything else, you can say cross it, right? This will be c into bracket 3x plus d into bracket x. Now, you know you are doing something right if your left hand side and right hand side have the same denominators. They cancel. When your denominator on the left hand side equals to denominator on the right hand, they'll cancel out, and you're now left with 113x over 9 minus 1 equals to c into bracket 3x plus 5 plus d into bracket x. Class, what's left now is, the reason why people have not gone home is that this is meeting on Monday. And some of you have left me here, I know. Some of you, when we are doing normal practical class, by 4, you have started going home already. They are doing well. Now, let's expand the bracket. 113x over 9 minus 1 equals to c times 3x. 3cx. c times 5, 5 plus dx, right? Plus dx. Okay, we can continue it here. Okay, let's finish this, exhaust this space. So this 113x over 9 minus 1 equals to, let's call it like this, 3cx plus d plus 5c. Right? Class, remember the former partial fraction I solved? I said x component equate to x L component, and those that don't have x equate to those that don't have. Class, who are those that have x on the right hand side? 3cx plus d must be equal to 113x over equation, and equation 2, 5c must be equal to minus, so that c must be equal to minus 1 over c, therefore is minus 1 over 5. Class, A is the person that is carrying x, A is 2 over 3, B is the person that does not have x. Look at B, intentionally B does not have x, are you seeing it? And B is minus 10 over 9. You will know you're doing something right. C now is minus 1 over 5, the remaining D, the remaining what? To get D, we must go back to equation 1 and resolve. Since we have C, we can usually substitute C in equation 1 and get D. But first of all, let's divide all through by x. Divide all through by what? S cancels X, S cancels X, S cancels. What are we left with, class? 3C plus D equals to 113 all over 9. Do we know which C? C is minus 1 over 5, right? So 3 into bracket minus 1 over 5 plus D equals to 113 over. Please don't forget this because I'll be looking for somewhere. Please come with me. Come with me. So we are going to say, where are we now? We have 3 into bracket what? Minus 1 over 5 plus D equals to what? 113 over 3 times minus 1 is minus 3 over 5 plus D equals to 113 over. We are almost there, class. So D must be equal. Let's make this set of D. This 113 over 9. When minus 3 over 5 moves to this side, what does it become? We find the LCM, we have gotten D, class. 9 times 5, 45. 45 in 9 is 5. 5 times 113, class. Someone should help me. What is 5 times 113? Calculator quickly. 565 plus 45 divided by 5 is 9. 9 times 3. 565 plus 27, class. You see? 592 all over 40. Class, this is the value of D. So therefore we have gotten A, B, C, and D. Class, so you say in your manual that A equals to 2 over 3, B equals to minus 10 over 9, C equals to minus 1 over 5, and D equals to 592 all over what? 45. Thank you very much. Thanks for staying with us. Watch out for the next video. Thank you.